All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of Gar Capital. It is Monday, September 25th, 2023. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to join me this morning and every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on the YouTube channel. I just want to give a heads up. This is going to be a quick video. I have the AC people at my house. They're cleaning the ducts, so they're going to make a lot of noise. So I'm going to try to get through this quickly as we can. Dow futures down 82 points, NASDAQ down 50, S&P's down 0.32%. We talked about this over the weekend. The Russell, 175.74 on IWM. I had the 176 puts for Friday. With that momentum, who knows where we'd be. Unfortunately, they chopped us that overnight on Friday. But we knew where we were going with IWM. Looks like it filled that gap on the daily. Check it out. Now we got to see what the next move is. 10-year Treasury yields 4.513%. That is up this morning. Crude oil down 0.12%, 89.92 a barrel. Dollar right now 105.74. That's up. VIX elevated 18.16. My God, we're still below 20, which is actually pretty interesting. I remember when 20 was our baseline for a while last year. If we broke below that, that would have been a good sign. Now we're living below it. Gold futures are flat this morning. Silver down about 0.48%. $3.69 for copper futures. That's flat this morning. Euro dollar down 23 pips. 106.23. Dollar yen 148.75. That's up 36 pips. Pound dollar 122.18. Multi-month lows I read this morning. Bitcoin and Ethereum, again, I think this is more of a risk-off sentiment. 26,105. That's down 1.66%, 1569. Ethereum down 1.44%. Good morning, everyone. Let's go and take a look at the S&P 500 futures. We are now at 43.44. We're starting to get to that level, possibly where we get to 4,300. Good. The question is, do we get continuation? So far, it looks like it. We opened Sunday futures green, and then overnight we reversed. So now we're starting to get a little more juice. Good. So this gives us an opportunity to possibly short on any kind of bounces, since now we have confirmed the leg lower, because now we are below the August lows from August 10th. So now we're looking at our target at 4,300. We got to see where we're going to go from there. Below the 100-day, we already confirmed it. So got to put our bear hats on. Can't fight the tape. NASDAQ's a little different. NASDAQ, we're not there yet. 14,814. See if we break 14,8. Possibly target those lows here from August at 14,602. I'd like that futures short. And again, that gives us an opportunity to play the short side without any kind of issues of time decay. IWM, Russell, I mean, just unfortunate. It was a perfect setup. Now it's going to fill that gap. 176.29 is the gap fill. We're at 175.69. Yep, that's filled. And you could see it just got that leg lower. If we didn't have this chop and we had this, we'd be bags on Friday. It would have been so nice. What a damn shame. I don't know why that would happen. Momentum is to the downside. That's what we got to play. Bank of America is part of the watch list this week. Let's go over it rather quickly. Bank of America below 26.40. There's a gap fill from 2020. So let's take a look at that rather quickly. Let's take a look at SPY next. Absolutely. You can see it right here. Here's your gap to fill in the weekly, 24.96. If we start breaking below, what is it, the level that we're looking for? Below 26.40, that's what we're going for. 26.40. We need a nice little meltdown. That definitely would confirm it. And that'll get us that right down here. That's where Bank of America gets interesting again. Let's take a look at SPY together. SPY very similar to S&P 500 futures, so I kind of look at the same deal. Trading at 428.80. We did break here. Got a gap here at 422.98. With a little momentum, that might be filled. So take a look at that here. There's your gap fill right there. I'm going to place an alert. We're at 428.84. Below 428. I think we can get a crack at it. Maybe to the 425s. So we'll do 428 as an alert there. The only thing I worry is that if QQQ bounces. See, that has a gap to fill to the upside. It's hovering around the 100-day. So again, if tech is a little resilient, Amazon is up this morning. this may be a tough one. You can see Amazon is up pre-market. It was up as much as 1% this morning. I believe Apple was green as well, 174. No, that was flat. So just Amazon was up this morning. I don't want a tech company being up trying to carry the market when you're trying to short. So that's the tough one there. But in terms of SPY, I think 428, excuse me. Then you can target the 425s. You kind of keep it tight and see if we get the momentum. Apple's looks like it's hanging out by a thread. We could do 173, 74. That's what I'm gonna keep an eye on. And we got some opportunities there. That was part of the watch list. Below 173, yeah. So 173 would be a good level to short for Apple. Again, that gives us the confirmation right here. So it's also a head and shoulders pattern on the hourly on Apple. So I do expect more weakness. Definitely looking at puts. If any kind of pop, that would be nice this morning. If we get any kind of reversal, that'll give us a chance to buy some puts on the cheap if we can get that move. But it's going to be tough sledding, because if we just continue lower, 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 lower immediately, we start melting lower fast, it's going to be hard to get a fill. But we'll take it step by step. But definitely need to keep the bear hats on. I don't see us getting any kind of bounces when we're breaking down already. So again, we're looking to short, if anything, especially if bond yields continue to go higher. And we talked about that on this weekend's video. Make sure to take a look at that. And you're welcome, James. Thanks for being on. Again, a really quick one. I don't want to go too long. Again, they're about to clean the ducks. So if anything, you won't be able to hear me. Starting to hit session lows right now. Let's get ready to rock. VIX is spiking. 10-year treasury yields are spiking as well. Let's make it a great Monday. I will catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully with no other distractions or noises. We'll see you then. Cheers.